Piling Laran 12, all sections, or 4 sections, and komunikasyon sa Daguhoy. So, sila na mo pa ila sa uban ng mga advisors, kaya namin sila mga sikrito, mga ipahayag. Ang mga advisor naman is grade 11, tanawan ninyo. Mga small but terrible. Okay, ano tawag na yung mga nalawang
Basis grande na.
ito na. Good morning, SITVHS! Okay, so I am Nestoria Tadena Nadonza, and I am the advisor for Daguhoy 11. And I am proud to say that I will be handling 13 sessions, 4 subjects, 4 Tech Group 7, 4 Tech Group 8, 2 ICS 8, 2 General Mathematics, Daguhoy and Sikatuna, and 1 Pre-Calculus. And that's all. I thank you. Good morning sa mga gwapo-gwapa diha! Okay, so by the way, I am Mikaela Jean B. Paclip. I am the advisor of grade 11 Tamplot, and I will be handling grade 7 and 8 animal production. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Miss Ita Salina Ampuyokyo. I will be handling Filipino 8 only for spinach, and then Filipino 9 for Mando Andrea Pano, applied economics for Daguhoy, Filipino 11 for Sikatuna, Garcia, and Campbell. Okay, see you around.
Good morning sa mga naminaw! Ay, naminaw yan! I am Evelyn Sasson Tadena. I am the advisor of grade 11 Sikatuna. Hands up sa grade 11 Sikatuna! Kaya pa ko sa una! I am handling philosophy 11, 4 sections. Wala pa tayo kalima, upat na. And personal development. So, katong ano ako, watch out guys. Okay, good morning. God is good all the time. Okay. So, by the way, I'm Pipita Gabi Cano. And today, or currently here, I'm the advisor of Garcia Crop Production. My subjects are General Mathematics, Tamplot and Garcia, and Contemporary Arts, 4 sections for grade 12. Kanya, ako lang yung una-una. Guys, hoy crop, ayaw tamo pamalhin. Panggaon tamo. Ako nakalisa dito, panggaon tamo, ayaw tamo pamalhin. Kung pamalhin mo, magmahay mo.
Agoy!
Ha? Anda pa ko munawan kung naay mo balhins, padong sa kuha. Dili ko balhin, padong nila ha. Okay, thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the day.
Sana all ay mo dawat og